Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to be donning our baking hats. We are baking a very popular dish, the banana bread. Enjoy it with a jam or marmalade. At the end of the video, we have added a plum jam recipe, so do watch the video till the end. And if you are new here, do subscribe to the Food Monologue channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all the new recipes. So let's start without further ado. For this bread, we use very ripe bananas. 3 ripe bananas. Peel them and mash them. Ingredients for the bread: oats flour 1.5 cup, oats 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, brown sugar half cup, salt half teaspoon. The wet ingredients are curd half cup, eggs 2 in number, oil half cup, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. To make the crust of the bread crunchy, we use flax seeds 1 teaspoon, melon seeds 1 teaspoon, walnuts 1 teaspoon, chia seeds half teaspoon, oats 1 teaspoon. In the meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now let us mix the wet ingredients first. Break 2 eggs in a mixing bowl, whisk them with a hand, add oil, give it a nice mix. Now add the curd, vanilla essence, again mix it. Avoid using a mixer as it tends to overmix. Now add the bananas and the brown sugar. Instead of brown sugar, you can add maple syrup or honey. Now let us mix the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of oats flour. This is just regular oats ground in a mixer. To this add 1 cup of regular oats. Give it a mix. Now add the cinnamon and baking powder, baking soda, add a pinch of salt. And give it a thorough mix. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and give it a thorough mix. Use the cut and fold method. Do not use a mixer as it tends to overmix. Add the chopped walnuts and mix. Now pour the mixture into a greased loaf pan. Tap it a little so that the air bubbles escape. Sprinkle it with oats, flaxseed, melon seeds and chia seeds. Now bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. You need to start checking after 35 minutes till you get a golden brown color. Allow the cake to cool before demolding it. After some time, cut it into slices. You can see how soft and spongy the texture has come out. Now enjoy it with plum jam or any other jam or marmalade of your choice. Stay tuned and check out the recipe for plum jam. Ingredients for the jam: plums 250 grams, sugar half cup, you can use either white or brown, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, nutmeg half teaspoon. Wash the aloo bukhars or the plums thoroughly since we are going to use them along with their skins. Wipe them. After washing them, wipe them dry and cut them into small pieces. Now heat a pan, add the plum pieces to it. Let them cook for some time. Now add the sugar. Here I have used white sugar. As the sugar melts, the mixture becomes very watery. You have to cook it for some time. Allow the mixture to condense and thicken. Then add cinnamon. Grate a little bit of nutmeg, about half teaspoon. Then add a little salt and give it a thorough mix. This is the consistency the jam has to be. You can see it is quite thick and viscous. After it cools, it will be even more thicker. Let it boil for another minute or two and then shut off the gas and allow it to cool in a flat dish. Once this yummy jam is cooled, you can eat it straight away. Or you could place it in an airtight container and refrigerate it for a month or two. Now enjoy this soft and crumbly banana oats bread. If you like the recipe, give the video a like. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.